How to fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on Do Not Disturb. After click on Do Not Disturb, turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After turn off Do Not Disturb button, after turn off Do Not Disturb button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to again app library and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. After click on software update, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your software update. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can do not disturb, fix, keep turning on Realme 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.